2011 ICC Cricket World Cup will be held not so far from here at the Sher-e-Bangla Stadium in Mirpur. But this has taken its place in history, this great coliseum of cricket and sport, now more designated for a football stadium. But tonight, it is the showpiece for cricket's biggest
Ladies and
spectacle.
gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Bangladesh, performed by the renowned cultural organization Chayanot.
The national anthem of Bangladesh, performed by the Chayanot Choir.
আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি চিরদিন।